Is that your baby bear?
Yeah, put her, I guess put her as the contact or add her as a contact, whatever you want. I don't know if you can
Is that
sort
your
of
baby
take yourself
bear?
off for now, but you can put her as a contact, right? Yeah.
Say hi. Okay, go ahead. Run down this hallway. Oh, you want to come this way? Okay. We can go that way. Let's go down that hallway.
So who do you have today? The new baby.
We don't know. Yes. Good job, Tesla. Now turn around. Come on, come back this way. Yay! Good job. Oh, good job. You got out of the way. Good job.